What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today we got the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra on deck, and I'm gonna tell you guys 5 reasons why I say go buy the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's get into it. First and foremost, I would say performance. Performance of a smartphone is very important to me, and when I say performance, I'm including how powerful the processor is and how good it runs with the system UI. I'm talking about the thermals, does the phone get really hot, and I'm talking about battery life. All 3 very important things, and this device does those things at that one of the highest levels I've seen a smartphone do it. Shout out to Samsung. They went out to Snapdragon, and Snapdragon produced the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is a fire processor. I thought the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 was just a fire processor and it was going to be the best processor that a smartphone could have. But the fact that I like the 8 Gen 2 so much, and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 actually has performance gains and battery life gains on top of the 8 Gen 2 is wild to me. But I mean, if you just want a solid phone as far as performance go, you want to be able to try a lot of different stuff with your phone, you want all day battery life, you want thermals, you just want a consistent, powerful phone no matter what you throw at it, this is definitely something that you may want to check out. Now, number 2, Samsung has been killing this for years. I would say display. And this year, like, they really killed it because they brought this anti-glare coating, guys. And with the anti-glare coating, this display looks amazing at any angle. I've never seen a smartphone display that just rejects the glare like this display does. I mean, it looks really good. And also now the display is flat. And with this being a flat display, you can use it from edge to edge. There's no glare because of the curves. Just a really good experience and really bringing back true Note vibes to the S24 Ultra. So I really like the flat display and the anti-glare display on this. Number 3, I just want to say the S Pen. The S Pen came in the device and it's been the best stylus since the Samsung Galaxy Note / Ultras have been on the market. I mean, you can pull it out, take a quick note, you could navigate the phone with it, you could use it as a remote for your camera. Just a very handy assistant to a very capable smart device. This rolls straight into number 4 because we've got the system UI now with Galaxy AI also. So now we got Galaxy AI where we can take voice recordings and change them to notes that we want to keep and things of that nature. But that also just makes this device more of an assistant with way more features when you got things like the Edge panel for organizations, and you just got different apps like S Notes that work with, again, with organization, and just the UI making the device just a super assistant or a super productivity device for anybody that's actually really trying to get something done. Last but not least, I say the camera, because on this device, front facing camera, very powerful. You get 4K 60 frames per second. Rear facing camera, you can get 8K 30 frames per second of video. So this is a great device for taking pictures, but at the same time, you can get really great video on this device. And this device is powerful enough where you can record the video seamlessly and at the same time edit the video on this device. So it's a very capable device when it comes to capturing content and at the same time editing content, which makes this a little productivity master, a little powerhouse device. And those are the type of devices that I like. But these are just some of the reasons why I think that somebody would grab a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm really enjoying this device. I hope you guys are enjoying your devices no matter what you're using. It's your boy BG Tech Life. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.